Hello everybody. WebOS is LG's operating system that runs on LG smart TVs. In this video we show the basics on how you can use WebOS and some tips and tricks to get you started. To control WebOS, your TV may come with a standard remote, but most LG TVs come with the Magic Remote. The Magic Remote allows you to move a pointer on the screen, like a mouse pointer. But you can also use the arrow buttons. Press the wheel button to make a selection, or use this button to scroll through options on the screen. Other useful buttons are the input button to switch to another input on the TV, or the voice control button to control the TV with your voice. Open Netflix.
Okay, I'll go to Netflix app.
See this video for more details on the Magic Remote. Press the home button on the remote to go to the home screen. On the home screen you can find the app bar where you can open apps that are installed on the TV. Here you can edit the app bar to move apps or delete apps. To install apps, go to the WebOS App Store. Here you can search and find many apps in many categories. Select an app and select Install. When the app is downloaded and installed, the app is added at the end of the app bar. To install apps on the TV, you have to be logged in with an LG account. You can log in using the Magic Remote on the screen, via a web browser, or via the LG ThinQ app. The app bar also contains the WebOS built-in apps. These apps cannot be deleted. These are apps such as the web browser app, to access websites and web services. Or the Media Player app, to play media from a media server or from a USB device. Above the app bar you can find cards that provide quick access to collections of apps and functions, such as games, or music. Here you can edit the cards to move, add or remove cards. In the TV settings you can also find the home settings. Here you can select if the TV starts up with the home screen or with the recent live TV or HDMI input. And here you can turn on or off the recommendations, which are shown in the top of the home screen or at the bottom of the home screen. You can connect various types of devices to the TV, such as a gaming console, a soundbar or a mobile phone. On the Home Hub, you can manage the inputs and the outputs of the TV. Here you can see the HDMI inputs, and here you can edit the name or icon of an input. Here you can find the options to connect a mobile device to the TV via AirPlay or Chromecast, or connect a mobile device via Bluetooth to play music on the TV. Or share the screen of a PC or mobile device on the TV. Or if you connect the TV to the LG ThinQ app, you can share content and control the TV via the LG ThinQ app. See this video for instructions about how to control the TV via the LG ThinQ app. On this side of the Home Hub screen, you can connect to various types of IoT devices, including LG ThinQ devices. If you log in with your LG account, you can monitor and control the ThinQ devices that are linked to your LG account. See this video for instructions about how to control ThinQ devices on the TV Home Hub. You can watch live TV via the antenna, cable or satellite connection on the back of the TV. See this video for instructions on how to tune and edit the TV programs. When the TV programs are tuned, you can press the guide button on the remote to open the electronic program guide. And if you connect a USB device to the TV, you can record a live TV program to the USB device to play back later. Shortly press the settings button on the remote to open the quick settings. Here you can quickly change a setting, for example, change the current picture mode. Or change the sound out setting from the TV speaker to a connected HDMI ARC device. If you connected a gaming PC or gaming console, you can also use the game dashboard. If the game dashboard is enabled, the game dashboard will appear instead of the quick settings. On the game dashboard, you can quickly see the settings related to gaming, such as the current frames per second or VRR settings. Via the quick settings, you can also access the menu with all settings. Or to open all settings, you can also press and hold the settings button on the remote. Here you can access all settings, such as the advanced picture settings, the advanced sound settings, the TV network settings, or you can turn off the energy saving setting for more brightness. And here you can check if the TV software is up to date. Or enable auto update to always install the latest software automatically. These are the basics of LG WebOS. Check out the other videos on our YouTube channel, or for more help, contact your local LG help desk.